doing? What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something special for you, but it's Tuesday. You're thinking to yourselves, Tuesday? You're going to the track on a Tuesday? You're damn right we are. Let's get everything loaded up. All right, guys, so first thing we're doing is we're running and getting some ice. Pro tip here, don't buy bags of ice. This stuff's expensive. Find yourself an ice machine, it's way cheaper. But we're not actually taking my truck today, so I gotta run around and get a bunch of errands done so that we can have everything ready for when the other truck picks up the trailer and the Mustang, which I'll show you guys here in a little bit. But we're gonna get some ice, and then we gotta pick up Chase. Gotta pick up the homie Chase. Good morning, Chase. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thanks for having me, David. All right, guys, we are loaded up. We're rolling in style today in John's F250. Shout out John. So our buddy John's coming with us. He's got a badass F250. So we're loaded up. We're headed to actually back to Thunder Valley, Noble, Oklahoma. So it's gonna be a good time, and we'll see you guys when we get out there.
I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a salad.
All right, guys, so we're the first ones here. Look at that truck, man. That thing looks so good. John, what do you think? I need one of those, right?
Absolutely.
That looks so good pulling the tank thing. So shout out John.
It's a Ford pulling a Ford.
That's right. That's the only way to do it. I've been doing it wrong. So
right now?
oh yeah, of course. So we're the first ones here, of course. Everyone else is on their way. We left a little bit early just to make sure we made it on time. So we got plenty of time to get everything ready. I don't think they've really started prepping the track. They still got like another hour and a half. So they're gonna start prepping the track, but there's some pretty fast cars coming out. You guys will probably notice some of the cars when you see them. So we've got a few videos coming out, but it's gonna be an awesome time. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, guys, so they are spraying the track right now. We're gonna ice down the Mustang here in a little bit. There's only 3 cars here right now. There's Kyle's Unicorn, a really clean Fox body over there. And so they just got done spraying, I think, actually. So we're gonna ice down the car here in a second, and we'll get the first pass in. Right, Chase?
Yeah, if they'll spray it.
Alright, guys, this is the world's fastest swivel Mustang. That is a bad car. Damn. Alright guys, so first pass went 865. Mile an hour was a little down, so DA is only like 2,800 today. It's not very good, so we're gonna try to turn it up a little bit. That red car went 842 right off the hit. I'm not sure what that Mustang did, but Kyle's Unicorn, they broke the axle stub, so I think they're gonna try and get a new half shaft here because we're pretty early. We got a couple more hours, so letting the car cool off. Gonna turn it up just a little bit and see what it can do.
Ow.
Got me. Shot.
So just reset the record, reset my personal best, 851. The mile an hour is down because the car's still boost creeping, but I went 543 at 128 miles an hour. So my previous best and the previous record set by me was 854. Just went 851. So I'm gonna let the car cool off, see if we can get some more mile an hour in it, see if we can get that 840. I'm really chasing that 840 pass. Okay guys, so like I said, last pass was the fastest ET. The car's gone. Mile an hour is down the drain because the boost controller just keeps spiking. So we're gonna change a few of the settings, see if we can make another pass, and we'll see how it goes. Track is pretty good though. So the track's there, air's not that good, but we'll see if it'll take the turn up on the boost controller. Alright guys, I scrambled late on that pass. Actually, the pass before that, I spun the tires, so they re-prepped the track because it was kind of going away. And I also turned the boost up, so I turned the boost back down to where we had it before just so we could get the car to 60 foot. And it actually went 1.24 to the 60 foot, best 60 foot I've ever had in that car. But I scrambled late, so I didn't get the mile an hour, and I'm still having boost issues up top. So we'll try and fix at least scrambling early, and then obviously the boost cut issues, it is what it is. We'll just have to deal with it for tonight. But I think if I can get another 1.24 60 foot and I can scramble early, I think we can get our 5.4 pass. It's gonna be really close. So I'll see you guys. We're gonna let the car cool down, check out some other cars, and I'll see you guys on the next pass. What time is it?
It's like
3:08. 3:08
308 in the morning, just left Noble, Oklahoma. Just got back, actually.
We're getting the trailer back. We already unloaded everything. Trying to make a quick turnaround here because it's super late. So, huge shout out to John bringing his truck, helping us out. Huge shout out to Chase. You guys will see an edit from us soon over the whole entire private track rental. That's perfect. He can just leave right there. That's perfect. That's good. Good, good, perfect. So huge shout out to John, Chase helping out, and we made it back. We made it back.
Second video in a row.
I don't know why he's talking in the background. Are you still talking?
Yep, I am still talking actually.
So guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. It's been a long one, but it was a really awesome time. Huge shout out to Chase for putting it on, and huge thanks to everyone else that came out and participated in the private track rental. It was a good time. Some people broke their cars, unfortunately. That's just kind of part of doing the private rental stuff. Usually get a little better prep, but just anyways with drag racing, that's part of it, breaking stuff and trying to get better, trying to get faster. I did go faster. I went 8:51. My previous best and the previous record that I set was 8:54. So the car did go faster, but we're still having overboost issues. So we do have the CO2 set up. I did buy a new boost controller, and so we're gonna get the car on CO2. Huge shout out to Motion Raceworks for that. And we got the new boost controller coming hopefully this week. So hopefully we can get that wired up, fix a few other small issues, and see if we can't go faster next time we're out. But like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. See you on the next one. Give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel.